If you ask me today, what defined my life? I will not say electricity. I will say conviction. From a young age, I saw the world differently. Where others accepted limits, I questioned them. I did not invent for fame. I did not create for wealth. I worked because ideas demanded to be born. My mind was never quiet. Entire machines appeared before me. Complete, perfect. Long before they existed in metal. But the world does not reward vision. It rewards timing. And I was always ahead of mine. When I spoke of wireless energy, they laughed. When I said power should belong to everyone, they turned away. Because where I saw humanity, they saw profit. I watched my work disappear. Under someone else's name. I watched money flow past me. While I counted days, not riches. Yes. There were nights of hunger. There were days of doubt. There were moments when even I wondered if the price was too high. But listen carefully. I never regretted choosing truth over comfort. I never regretted refusing compromise. Because progress is never built by those who play safe. It is built by those who are willing to be misunderstood, ignored, and even forgotten. For a time. If you feel unseen today, if your ideas feel too big for the room you're in, remember this. Every future begins as an inconvenience to the present. The world may not clap for you now. It may not even notice you. But time is honest. Time remembers work, not noise. I may have lived quietly. I may have died with little. But my ideas outlived me. And they will outlive many more. So if you carry something meaningful inside you, protect it. Build it. Stand by it. Even if you must walk alone. Because history does not belong to those who followed the crowd. It belongs to those who trusted their vision when no one else did.